Hello, this is David Soto talking to you, and today I'm going to tell you my daily signal. And just to let you know that I will no longer be posting 4 hour and 30-minute signals because there's been a lot of confusion between people and how do you trade these signals. So instead of having two different sets of instructions and having to explain two different types of signals, I decided to make one signal for everybody that can be used for both binary options and forex. And to try to combine the long term and short term and all that with the signals, I decided to go with just a 1 hour chart. That way, you can still use these for binary options. And if you do trade the binary options, I suggest about 45 minutes to 1 hour expiration time. Okay, which should be standard for pretty much every broker. And also, if you trade the forex, I suggest a 50 pip to 100 pip take profit. Now, I have been working on a new strategy for forex, and I'm going to show it to you here. And what we do is, I'm not using any. I'm using pin and orders, but I'm not using any stop loss or take profit. All right. What I'm using instead is a trailing stop. All right. And meaning once the trade goes into profit, okay, the trade will activate a stop loss, but stop loss will follow the trade while it goes into profit. And if the trade bounces back and goes the wrong other direction, it'll hit that stop loss, that trailing stop loss, okay, and it will close, but it will still close in profit. That way you don't lose that much money. Um, and this is a strategy that's worked for a lot of different investors, and that's a strategy I'm going to work with today. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. And so we got this trade signal I just posted a few minutes ago for pound USD. Okay, it's a 1 hour chart. And if I look in the 4 hour, it's got a super signal also. There's no harmonic pattern, but it does have a super signal pointing down. And if I look on the daily, there is no signal pointing down yet, but there is this high point right here where it had gone up and come back down, and it never formed a signal here either. So the chances are it may not even form a down arrow on the daily, and the weekly it still has an up arrow here. So overall trend, the big trend I think is bullish. I mean the price will go up, but in the short term, I foresee the price coming down. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line. Let's see, right about here. All right, I'm going to set a pin and order for there, and then I'm just going to make a sell stop, and then just let it go into profit. Now, from this 4 hour resistance and this 4 hour support is kind of like the range of operation right here. And also, but we see here there's an H1 resistance here. So this H4 resistance is kind of like ain't no good no more because it done broke that resistance level. Now it's formed a new resistance level here of this H1, and it's already starting to go up a little bit. So I don't know how strong this resistance level is going to be at the moment, but that is the most current resistance level. So this is also the H1 support. So it's kind of a small, real tight window of opportunity. But I do feel that the price will come down eventually. Even if the price keeps going up, that's fine. I can just drag and drop this entry point to modify and adjust. So anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and place this trade. Go right here to market execution and choose pin and order. Okay, and then go right here and choose sell stop. All right, and then at price, I'm going to put right here where the green price is on the green line, which is 1.29528. Okay, and I'm going to place that. Okay, now if I go here and remove that green line, go to object list, and I just go down here, scroll to the bottom, and find that horizontal line, delete. Okay, that green line is gone, and this is the entry point. Okay, and the entry point's right here. I can drag it to modify however I want, And then what I'm gonna do though, watch this. Here's the pending order down here, sell stop for pound USD, and I'm gonna go here and just right click on it, and then go here to trailing stop, and I'm gonna choose 30 points. It's kind of like in the middle here. You can play around with this to get a feel for however you want. Basically, they're going by points here, so you just look at the last decimal place in the currency, and so once it goes into profit, 30 points, then the trailing stop will kick in. All right, and if it happens to bounce back, all right, to that 30 point, bounce back 30 points, then it will close. All right, so you can set whatever you want here, or you can do a custom. I'm just gonna choose 30 points. That's safe, and then that's it. That's pretty much it. And you see right here, it's already shooting down. If I go to the 5-minute chart, it's kind of like this is kind of like a low point right here where the super signal formed previously. So it might come to here and shoot back up again. I don't know. But overall, uh, this price probably will come down. It's been teetering right here in this range for the last, I don't know, 45 minutes, hour. If it goes some of the higher time frames, go to 15 minute. See, in the 15 minutes, it's just been right in this range right here. And 30 minute, kind of the same thing. Been right in this range right here for the last hour or so. So, and it's been going up all day. I feel like it's kind of reached a high point now, and it's getting ready to come back down. And that's really good for us right now. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pause the video, and I'm gonna come back in another hour or so, and just see how it is, and show you when that trailing stop kicks in, and then wait for it to take profit, I guess. All right. See you in a little while. Okay, I'm back now, and it's only been a few minutes, and this trade has just jumped into profit and tripped the pending order. So it's dropping pretty quickly. So right now I'm going to show you the I'll show you the trailing stop. So it's set for 30 points, and we're waiting for this to activate. Now I'm going to show you a little trick. If you go here to right click on this and hit go to profit, basically you can right click anywhere you want down here. Just right click and hit go to profit, and then select as points. Okay, and then all you see the points right here, 17 points in profit. All right, so it has to go at least 30 points into profit before the stop loss kicks in. All right, so that's kind of what we're looking for right now, and this is still fresh, and it's only been a few minutes since I placed the trade, so I don't know. It might retrace and go back up again, but like I said, there's a 4-hour support line here, so I predict that this price will come down. It might take another hour, I don't know, but I'm gonna pause the video again and then come back to you in a few minutes. Okay, see you in a little bit.